questions on that chapter. Also, the homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we shall start the very first question. So it is told that in a class of 60 students, 25 play cricket, 20 play tennis, and 10 play both the games. Then the number of students who play neither of the games. So let's say we take the set A as the set of all students who play cricket, and let's say we take the set B, which is the set of all students who play tennis, and we take U as the universal set. The universal set is U. So U represents the total number of students in the class. The total students, all the students in the class are in the set U. So n of U, that is 60, and n of A, that is given as 25, and n of B, it means the number of students who play cricket is 25, and n of B, that is the number of students who play tennis, is 20, and n of A intersection B, that is the number of students who play both tennis and cricket, that is 10. Now therefore we have to find n of A union B whole complement. It means we have to do n of U minus n of A union B. So which is n of U minus n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So that will be n of U plus n of A intersection B minus n of A minus n of B. Okay, so therefore n of A union B whole complement, that will be equal to n of U, that is 60, plus n of A intersection B, that is 10, minus n of A, that is 25, minus n of B, that is 20. So that will be 70 minus 45. So this will be 70 minus 50, that is 20. So this will be 25. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told that the set A contains all those elements x such that mod of 2x plus 3, that is less than 7, is equal to which set? Okay. So now we have to solve this inequality, that is mod of 2x plus 3, that is less than 7. It means that you can say 2x plus 3, that is greater than minus 7 and less than 7. So it means that you can write 2x is less than, we have to subtract 3 on all sides. It's minus 10 less than 4. Now you have to divide by 2, that is minus 5 is less than x is less than 2. So if we add 5 on all sides, then it will be 0 less than x plus 5 is less than 7. So option A is the correct answer, which is the set D. So A is equal to the set D, where D contains all those x such that x plus 5 is greater than 0 and less than 7. So option A is the correct answer. Then write the set builder form of this A equal to minus 1 comma 1. Write the set builder form. Okay. So here actually it should be, here one more option was there. So here the option D was also there, which was A is the set of all those x such that x is a root of the equation x square equals to 1. So it means that if we solve x square equals to 1, then it will be x square minus 1 equal to 0. Then if we factorize it, then we will get x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is equal to 0. It means x equal to minus 1 and 1. So it means that option D is the correct answer. Here it is told that if A and B are finite sets and A is less than B, A is a subset of B, A is a subset of B, then A is a subset of B means A is inside the set B. A is a part of the set B. So then it means that A union B that is equal to B, and A intersection B that is equal to A. So therefore the number of elements in the set A union B that is equal to the number of elements in B, and the number of elements in A intersection B that is equal to number of elements in set A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, then in question number 5 it is told that if U is the universal set with 100 elements, so n of U that is 100, this is given, and A and B are two sets such that n of A that is 50 and n of B is 60, and n of A intersection B that is equal to 20. Then we have to find the value of n of A complement intersection B complement. So according to by the De Morgan's law, we can say that A complement intersection B complement that is equal to A union B whole complement. So therefore the number of elements in the set A complement intersection B complement, that would be equal to the number of elements in the set A union B whole complement, which is n of U minus n of A union B. So now first we have to find the number of elements in A union B. So n of A union B will be n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So this will be 50 plus 60 minus 20. So this will be 50 plus 40, that is 90. Now therefore n of A complement intersection B complement, that will be equal to n of U minus n of A union B. So that will be equal to n of U, that is 100 minus 90, that is equal to 10. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the answer. Then it is told if the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the number of subsets of A which contains exactly 2 elements. Number of subsets of A which contains exactly 2 elements. So from here we can choose any 2 elements which contains at least 2 elements. Okay. So the total number of subsets of A, so here n of A that is equal to 6. The number of elements in A is 6, so therefore the total number of subsets of the set A, it will be equal to 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6, that is equal to 8 is 64, and it is told that which contains at least 2 elements. It means the number of subsets, we have to find number of subsets of A containing more than one element. It means that it can contain 2 elements or more than 2 elements. So that will be 64 minus the empty set, which is the null set, plus 6. It means the sets which contains only one element. So that will be 64 minus 7, that is 57. So option B is the correct answer. Then we shall solve the questions on the linear inequalities. So hope you have understood all the solutions in the chapter sets, and any doubts if you have in any of the solution, then please write us in the comments section. And here we shall start solving the questions on linear inequalities. So we have to find the solution sets of the inequation x square plus 6x minus 7 by mod of x plus 4, that is less than 0. So now x plus 4 should not be equal to 0. It means that x should not be equal to minus 4. So then mod x plus 4, that will be always greater than 0 for all x belongs to r minus 4. So except minus 4, if you take any real number, then it will be a positive value only. So therefore we can say that x square plus 6x minus 7, that should be less than 0. So therefore I can solve, if we factorize it, this will be x plus 7 into x minus 1, that is less than 0. So now we will plot the points on the number line. So one is minus 7, one is 1. So if we put some value which is greater than 1, then it is coming greater than 0. And the exponents are even, exponents are odd numbers, so therefore the sign will change. So this is plus minus plus, plus minus plus. So here we have to take those points at which this is less than 0. So this means that x should be greater than minus 7 and less than 1. But minus 4 is also included in this range, so that we have to exclude. So therefore x, so that minus 4 value we have to exclude that. So x belongs to, we can say this is minus 7 to 1 minus minus 4, or we can write x belongs to minus 7 to minus 4 union minus 4 to 1. So option D is the correct answer. Then the shaded region shown in the figure is given by the inequation. So the above straight line, this straight line represents y equals that is y equals to 14. So it means that y should be less than 14. Y should be less than 14 here. Y should be less than 14, one of the inequalities. And this straight line is, it has y intercept is 14, x intercept is 5. So it will be x by 5 plus y by 14, that is equal to 1. So if we put 0, 0, that is coming less than 1. So this should be greater than 1. That 0, 0 will not satisfy. So this inequality is 14x plus 5y greater than 14 into 5, that is 70. And this inequality is, this is which is y minus y1, that is equal to m, which is 14 minus 0 by, let's say 14 minus 0 by y minus 0, that is equal to 14 minus 0 by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus 5. So this equation will be y equal to 14 by 14, that is 1 into x minus 5. So this straight line equation means that the equation of this straight line, is y equal to x minus 5, or we can say that x minus y, that is equal to 5. But here if we put some value which is suppose 0, 14, so x minus minus y, that can come greater than or equal to 5, or it can come x plus y less than x minus y, that is less than or equal to 5. So which one we have to choose? So this region is including the origin, so 0 comma 14 if we keep, that is coming less than 5. So it means that therefore x minus y that should be less than 5, less than or equal to 5. Since y, if we put 0 comma 14, it should satisfy. Therefore the shaded region represents the inequalities. One is 14x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 70, greater than or equal to it should be, and y is less than or equal to 14, and x minus y is less than or equal to 5. It means that option C is the correct answer. Okay, then question number 3, that is the shaded region in the figure is the solution of the set of the inequations. Okay, so the equation of this line, the equation of this straight line is y equals to 3. So y should be less than 3, less than or equal to 3, and this line, this equation is y equal to 0, so this should be y greater than or equal to 0, and this straight line equation is x equal to 6, so x should be less than or equal to 6, since 0 comma 0 should satisfy, the origin should be satisfied, and then we have to find this line, and x should be greater than 0 also, obviously, since the y-axis is called x equal to 0, so x should be greater than 0 also. And this straight line, its x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5, so this is x by 4 plus y by 5, that is equal to 1. So now x by 4 plus y by 5, that can be less than or equal to 1, or it can be greater than or equal to 1. So here 0 comma 0 should not satisfy, so this is wrong. 0 comma 0 is satisfying here, but so therefore x by 4 plus y by 5, that should be greater than or equal to 1. So it means that 5x plus 4y, that should be greater than or equal to 20. Therefore the shaded region represents the set of inequations. The shaded region represents the inequalities, which are, one is 5x plus 4y, that is greater than or equal to 20, and then x is less than or equal to 6, y is less than or equal to 3, then x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is also greater than or equal to 0. So it means this will be y is less than 3, x is greater than 0, okay, y is greater than 0. So it means that option C is the correct answer. Then we have to solve this inequality. So if x mod of x minus 2, that is less than or equal to 1, it means that x minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 1 and less than or equal to 1. So therefore we have to add 2 on all sides. So this will be 1 is greater than 1 is less than or equal to x, that is less than or equal to 3. So x should belong to closed interval 1 to 3. So both 1 and 3 should be included. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is written mod of x plus 5, that is greater than or equal to 10. So it means that either x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10, or x plus 5 is less than or equal to minus 10. x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5, or we can say that x is less than or equal to minus 15. So therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 15, so which is included union 5 to infinity. So option C is the correct answer. So in any of the solutions, if you are unable to understand or any other doubts if you have, then please write that in the comment section. Then it is told the shaded region in the figure is the solution set of the inequations. So first we have to find the equations of these given straight lines. So for this straight line, the y-intercept is 4 and x-intercept is 5. So therefore this straight line equation of this straight line is x by 5 plus y by 4, that is equal to 1. And the equation of this straight line is, it has its x-intercept is 10 and y-intercept is 3. Therefore it is x by 10 plus y by 3, that is equal to 1. And the equation of this straight line is x equal to 6. And the shaded region is obviously in the first quadrant, so therefore we have to write x should be greater than or equal to 0 and y should be greater than or equal to 0, since the shaded region is in the first quadrant. Shaded region is in the first quadrant. And then here for this straight line the origin should not satisfy, so therefore we should write x by 5 plus y by 4, that should be greater than 1, since the shaded region is away from the origin. And for the second straight line, for this straight line, the shaded region should contain the origin, so therefore x by 10 plus y by 3 should be less than or equal to 1, and this is greater than or equal to 1, since here origin should satisfy and here origin should not satisfy. Here we can write it as 3x plus 10y, that is less than or equal to 30, and from here we get that 4x plus 5y, that is greater than or equal to 20. And this one, we should be here also origin should satisfy, so x should be less than or equal to 6. So therefore the set of inequalities, the set of inequations that satisfy the shaded region, the set of inequations that satisfy the shaded region are is 4x plus 5y should be greater than or equal to 20, and 3x plus 10y, that should be less than or equal to 30, and x should be less than or equal to 6, and x comma y should be greater than or equal to 0. So which option is satisfying, we have to see that. So obviously the option A is satisfying. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, then here we have to solve this inequality. So it is told if mod of 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 2, then we have to find the range of values of x. So this means 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than or equal to 2. So it means that 3x should be greater than or equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3, and less than or equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. So x should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 7 by 3. So x should go from 1 to 7 by 3. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. So then, this was our last question of this class. So hope you have understood the solutions of every questions on sets and linear inequalities. So still, if you have any uh, doubts in understanding in any of the questions, or if you are unable to understand any steps of the solutions, then please write us in the comments section. We shall clarify them in the subsequent videos. And please install our Sapience education application, on which we shall upload the homeworks on every chapter. Thank you.